5 Cove Island House by RHAD Architects in Marvins Island, Canada. This house finds itself at the edge of a weather-beaten island on the south shore of Nova Scotia, surrounded by 5 coves. A small causeway connects the island to the mainland. The main living space is 1560 sq ft, with an additional 290 square feet dedicated to the garage/storage space, giving the house a small footprint. The one-story house was conceived as an understated shed form that has been cut, pulled, flipped, and extended. These moves make areas to enter, to walk through, and create moments for sunny retreats. The tight form speaks to the local vernacular of shed buildings commonly found on the South Shore. The extended shed creates a sheltered courtyard space, a place for a garage, and forms a courtyard viewed as you approach the tip of the island by road. The design creates 3 courtyards, which can be used depending on the sun exposure and wind conditions on any given day. Oversized patio doors open up from the living/dining/kitchen area to the east deck, framing the big view to the east of the mainland and many islands. When chilly winds blow over the water from the east, you can retreat to the sunny south-facing deck protected from east and west winds by the house. The garden and clothesline also benefit from the microclimate on the private/hidden side of the house. The large southwest-facing courtyard provides a sunny and protected area for arrival to the house and its large garden. An overhang on the east deck gives rain and snow protection, allowing for a place to sit on inclement days, while also shielding the large patio doors below from sun and driving rain. Slat and pergola details on the south deck create a play of light and shadow on sunny days and create a lantern effect at night, viewed from both the ocean and when arriving from the road. The house plan was split to create a distinct area for living for the main resident and another for guests. When guests arrive, the flipped shed opposite the entry corridor can be opened up for extra space, creating a cottage within a cottage. Steel trusses in the open living, dining, and kitchen area are exposed, expressing the structure. This vaulted, public area of the house is wrapped in shiplap, painted white for a distinct, simple cottage feel. The end walls are clad in kitchen cabinetry at one end and salvaged barn boards, remnants from a previous project, on the other. A wood-burning fireplace is tucked away in the corner to avoid obstructing the monumental view from the patio doors.